Today James will be sharing his experiences for excellence in knowledge management.
Knowledge management to me is about knowing what content we have and equally what content we don't have. Being able to manage it in a way that we can find it, we can categorise it, we can therefore go on and create it, amend it and optimise it. Equally, it's important to say what it isn't is quite simply a one-off exercise to get a load of content, put it into a database and think the job's done. I think you've got to start with your customer, with the actual end user, and the ease that they can get the content out. So one, it being there; two, how they search for it, how they view it. Is it desktop? Is it mobile? Well, it's got to be everything now. Ensuring that the team can be putting all of its efforts into improving content, improving the customer experience, and not having to work on a system that will maybe take some of that time away.
Yeah.
About 5% of all of our articles that are viewed get a rating, and we use those ratings along with any verbatim feedback to improve our content. Back in 2012, towards 15% of all of our ratings were positive. Now in excess of 50% of all of our ratings are positive.
Could you share some of the benefits you've got from it?
So the benefits are we are supporting customers within their online journeys, and I say keeping them in their channel of choice. Customers that are online don't necessarily want to pick up the phone and to seek help. They want help where they are, and that's where our content comes in. From another point of view, it's obviously a cheaper way to service these customers through content management systems where appropriate, rather than through traditional call centres. As a sort of example, if we were to roughly look at the volume of views that my content gets, if each of those was a phone call or potentially a chat, you'd be looking at a call centre probably of around 200 FTE. And as I say, there's me and 6 in my team, so there's 7 of us. So yeah, we have optimised search, so we don't need different articles more or less giving the same answer, and through the use of different tools within the content system to make sure that we can do things like multi-brand articles in a better way and create variations, all of which helps the team optimise in a more efficient way.
So can you tell me what you're going to be doing in the next 5 years?
Yeah, I think artificial intelligence will be a big thing in the next few years. We're already stepping into that field. We do over the next few years. They'll recognise when they want an FAQ type article, when they want a human chat, or when they're absolutely happy to have that conversation with a bot. So we need to try a few things, we need to test a few things, but I think whilst we can encourage customers on a journey, I think they will equally let us know what we should be doing as well.
That's really interesting with artificial intelligence and the bots you've been talking about. So James, I want to thank you for your time.
Pleasure.
Thank you for sharing your experience.
Pleasure. Thank you.